In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a stop limit order on Robinhood using their website. Whether you're a beginner or just want to brush up on your trading skills, this guide will walk you through every step, providing helpful context and tips along the way. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Robinhood account. You'll need to do this through the official Robinhood website on your browser. If you don't have an account yet, you'll have to set that up first. But if you do, simply enter your login credentials and get started. Once you're logged in, navigate to your portfolio page. This page gives you an overview of all the stocks and assets you currently hold in your Robinhood account. Take a moment to review your holdings and then select the stock for which you want to set a stop limit order. Just click on the specific stock and you'll be taken to its individual detail page. Next, you'll need to access the trading options for this particular stock. Look for the option to trade. It's typically a button labeled Trade. Click on this and then choose whether you want to sell or buy. For example, if you want to set a stop limit to sell your stock if the price drops to a certain point, you'd select Sell. If you're hoping to buy once the price rises or falls to your desired level, select Buy. Now you'll see the order type options. Here, you want to choose Limit Order. This order type allows you to set both a stop price and a limit price, which gives you more control over your trade. At this stage, you'll first set the stop price. This is the price point at which your stop limit order is triggered. For selling, this means if the stock's price falls to or below your stop price, the order becomes active. It's a handy way to limit potential losses or lock in profits if the price starts moving in the wrong direction. After entering your stop price, you'll set your limit price. This is the minimum price you're willing to accept for a sale, or the maximum you're willing to pay if you're buying. The limit price ensures that your trade only goes through within the price range you're comfortable with. Remember, the stop price and the limit price can be the same or different, but it's generally wise to set the limit price favorably to increase the chances of your order being filled. Enter the number of shares you want to trade. Double check to ensure this matches your intentions, whether you're selling part of your holdings or looking to buy a specific amount. Before completing the order, review all the details on the screen. Take your time. This is your final opportunity to verify your choices and make sure everything is set correctly. If everything looks good, click the review button. You'll get one last look at all your trade settings. When you're confident you've entered everything correctly, hit Submit to place your stop limit order. And that's it. You've now set a stop limit order on Robinhood. Keep in mind that your order will only be executed if the price conditions you specified are met. Setting stop limits can be a great risk management tool, helping you buy or sell automatically at prices you're comfortable with, even if you're not actively monitoring the market. Thanks for watching and happy trading.